fatty. Let's go.
Easy.
Sit up in your chair.
5, 4.
No, softwares, I know I delayed it a little bit for that reason.
One.
Tranquility in 1,
Put the plug in. He's ready.
Target change.
3, 2, 1. Glaves. 3,
Watch your step.
2, 1. Memory gain. 3, 2,
Wounds incoming.
1.
Oh, I'm mega lagging. Glaives are blinking all over the place.
Wound on you.
Three. Invoke the spirits 2, in 15. 1.
Watch your step. Target change.
2, 1.
Back through boss. Back through boss.
Glaves. 3,
Watch your step.
2, 1.
Your boss again.
Memory gain. 3, 2,
Wounds incoming.
1.
Through boss. Careful.
3, 2, 1. Invoke the spirits in 15.
Watch your step.
Soaks. Immunes.
Target change.
Nice recovery.
3, 2,
Through boss.
1.
Through ranged.
Glaves. 3,
Watch your step.
2, 1. Memory gain. 3, 2,
Wounds incoming.
1.
Wound on you.
Through boss here. Another one on its way. It might bounce through. Careful.
2. Invoke the spirits in 14. Tranquility in 15. 3.
Run out.
2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Run out. Run out.
Good job. Let's just kill it, this pool, you know?
Alright.
Left of the marker. Dropping in 3.
Invoke the spirits in 15.
Dropping in 3.
Spread.
3, 2, 1.
Dodging orbs. And 3.
Stay away from lines.
Middle of the marker.
Beam on you.
Dropping in 3. Dropping in 3.
Spread.
Dodging orbs. And 3.
Stay away from lines.
right of the marker. Dropping in 3.
Convoke the spirits in 15.
Dropping in 3.
Spread.
Three,
Dodging
2,
orbs
1.
in 3.
Stay away from lines. Knocking
Get to your
back.
knockback positions, full defensive, and let's kill this boss.
Spread. Raid split. Light rifts.
Innervate
Watch
in
your
15.
step.
Diamond. T. Circle.
Runes Watch your step.
Diamond first.
Watch your
T.
step.
And circle. Nicely done.
3,
Watch your step.
2,
Left side memory again.
1. Convoke
Watch
the
your
spirits
step.
in 15.
Watch your step.
X.
Tranquility in 15.
Triangle.
Rune on you. Watch your step.
3,
Watch your step.
Triangles go. Swing it out the
1.
way. Circles go.
Watch your step.
3, 2, 1.
Collapsing in 2.
Find shield.
Memory game in still left side. Spread it out.
Watch your
Circle.
step.
Triangle.
Rune on you. Watch your step.
Circles go.
Right side collapse.
Triangles go.
Watch your step.
Diamonds go. Whoa.
Watch your step.
Right side spread up.
Right side spread. Cassie
Watch
a
your
little bit
step.
more right.
Holy shit.
Watch your step.
Okay, stack in the middle. We have 2
Yeah,
B reses
right.
available. Let's kill this
Deep
boss.
breath. Just play calm. Play calm.
Convoke
We
the
still ought to be
spirits
coming
in
out for my
15.
parents.
Flame raged.
Clear comms. Clear comms. Clear comms. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Blazes in 3, 2,
Innervate
1.
in 15.
Left. Right. Left. Moving now.
3, 2, 1.
Blazes in 3,
Tranquility in 15.
1. Left. Right. Left. Moving now.
Convoke the spirits in 15. 3, 2,
Keep it up, guys. Deep
1.
breaths. Blazes in 3, 2, 1. Left.
3, 2,
Right.
1.
Left. Moving now. Might need some movement speed for this. Watch for your positioning. Blazes in 3, 2, 1. Left. Right. Left.
Let's go.
Mom and Dad, I'm gay.
Jesus.
We fucking did it. Final pull magic. Let's fucking go.
I am so proud of you guys.
I get the next two.
Out of your mind.
Let's fucking go.
Let's fucking go!
Let's go.
Oh, you guys played so
baby.
good. I am so proud of you.